Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your user script manager and confirming it has permissions to run on target sites. Once done, create a new script file or import an existing one. Name it clearly so you can find it later. Make sure that at match or at include lines point to the exact URLs you want to affect, because that controls where your code executes. You want immediate feedback, so save and enable the script. Then open the page you will modify to observe initial results. You should iteratively edit and test small portions of your script rather than changing everything at once. Start with a simple DOM query and console. Log the node to verify selectors, then add behavior in short, testable increments. If the site loads content asynchronously, use mutation observers or wait for specific elements before interacting. Make sure to reload the page or use the manager's reload function between edits, and watch the browser console for stack traces so you can fix assumptions quickly. You complete deployment by verifying the script runs consistently across sessions and after browser restarts. Once done, test edge cases, different pages, and user states to ensure no regressions. If something breaks, toggle the script off to confirm it's the cause. Make sure to inspect content security policy errors and cross-origin limitations that can block resources, and update permissions or hosts as needed. Finally, keep a dated backup or version history so you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.